In a crumbling car park where a forest once stood, a child imagined walking through that once verdant wood. But the looming cement cities kept getting bigger and bigger as we demolished nature with our bulldozers and diggers. Droughts and floods became common, and towns started sinking. Each year, Earth grew warmer, and food harvests kept shrinking. Something was missing. The world seemed downtrodden. Nature was disappearing. Its magic forgotten. But there on the pavement, poking out from a crack, was a bright flash of green, a plant growing back. Then they heard singing from birds in the sky and looked up just in time to see a flock flying by. And all of a sudden, right in front of the child, the world transformed, becoming magic and wild. The rivers flowed blue, all the plants grew and surged. The air became fresher and more creatures emerged. Grabbing a hand, the child pointed at trees and at blossoming flowers all buzzing with bees. They smiled and they laughed at the sounds and the sights, at the colors and wonders, all of nature's delights. People had to fight hard to bring all of this back. Now there's fewer floods, more food, and more carbon getting trapped. As the plants and animals spread and disperse, the world gets healthier and more biodiverse. But to realize this dream, we've a long way to go. Now is our moment. Let's restore nature's glow.